Merchize integrates seamlessly with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, and WooCommerce, eBay. If you established your own platform and system and want to custom integration for your needs, then Merchize's API that you can use in your own online business to further its capabilities. Build custom solutions with full-featured REST API, submit and receive orders, manage sales, manage products, and more with expansive Merchize API. To use Merchize API, you will first need a Merchize account. If you haven't created an account yet, please go to seller.merchize.com, create one, and complete the onboarding procedure. After you log into your Merchize account, then go to the API page. Under Integration section, you first need to get an access token for requests authentication. This field contains the generated token of your Merchize store. Access tokens are valid for 30 days by default for security purposes. They expire after that time frame, and you will need to generate a new one to replace it. If you want to extend the expiry dates, please reach out to us and make requests to custom configuration for your store. After you have authenticated to the API, you can send requests to the API using any programming language or program that can send HTTP requests, like Postman. The following section you can find the explanation of each request case, as well as query parameters that can give a developer some insight on how the Merchize can be practically applied. Merchize can offer you access to import external orders to Merchize, get order detail and tracking from Merchize, create product and upload images, artworks, and more. Now you can employ automated processes to manage multiple orders, products faster, better, and more efficiently.